You can always go with the tried and true version of deviled eggs, but maybe it's time to spice things up. Jalapenos, bacon, and cheddar are sure to make every brunch or potluck a little, well, sinful. Let's place 12 eggs into a saucepan and cover with cold water. Place the saucepan over high heat and bring the water to a boil. Remove the pan from the stove and let the eggs sit in the hot water for 15 minutes to finish cooking. Now place the eggs in an ice bath to cool completely, then peel and remove the shells. Next, in a large skillet, cook 4 slices of bacon over medium-high heat, turning them occasionally until evenly browned, about 10 minutes. Drain the cooked bacon on paper towels and chop or crumble when cool enough to handle. Remove the stems and seeds from 3 jalapeno peppers. Mince 1 jalapeno pepper and slice the remaining 2 into very thin strips. Then set them all aside. Now slice the eggs in half lengthwise and place the yolks in a bowl. Mash the yolks with a fork and stir in the minced jalapeno along with 1 cup of finely shredded, sharp cheddar cheese, 1/3 cup of mayonnaise, a 1/4 cup of red onion minced, and 2 tablespoons of spicy brown mustard. Add more mayo as needed for a creamier filling. Place the egg whites cut side up on a serving platter and pipe or spoon the yolk mixture into each half. Garnish with the crumbled bacon, sliced jalapenos, and a sprinkle of paprika if you wish. These jalapeno bacon cheddar deviled eggs sure are a devilish little treat.